Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome to Alex Builds. Today we're going to be doing issue 17 of Build the Titanic, the Ship, the Legend by Hachette Pocketwatch. Okay, so that means we've had another delivery of the Titanic. We've got stages 17, 18, 19 and 20. We also get this month's special gift, which is the Pocketwatch. So yeah, let me quickly show you the Pocketwatch first. So here is the Pocketwatch. As you can see, it comes in this nice little window box. If you remove the front, you get this velvet little packaging that you can get it in, and you can push the Pocketwatch out. So that is the Pocketwatch there. And if we turn that round, we do have the Titanic imprint on the background, like a little picture, just like that. So yeah, very, very nice. To set the time, you just pull this part up, turn it to the right time, and then click it back down. This is set to the right time, so at the minute it is 5:29. So that's what time I'm filming this at on a Sunday, blistering heat. If you do want to put this as a pocket watch, then remove the velvet part. This will be in a packet in the background. So yeah, this is your actual chain. So this part would be clipped to your pocket, and this part clips to the top of the watch. So I'll do that now for you just to show you how that is. So this part here, you can push that up like that, and then clip that in, and then pull that back down, and there you are. That is your pocket watch, all assembled, ready to be used. So there you are. That is our pocket watch, and yeah, very, very nice free subscription gift, that one. We have had a few nice subscription gifts. We've had the so far we've had the tin plate, which I do have up here. So mine is up there, my tin plate. We've got that. We also have the binder, which I've got down there. We've got the screwdriver set, which we've had here. So still got that, the screwdriver set. I haven't used the screwdriver set yet, but I'm sure that will come in handy at some stage. And now we've got the pocket watch as well. So if you haven't yet subscribed to this, there is still time. You can head on over to buildthetitanic.com. I will leave links down in the description down below. And if you head on over to hachettepartworks.com, you will find it over there as well. Okay, so let me show you the parts we get and what we're doing with issue 17. So yet again, our parts come in this nice little box with our tissue paper on. And what we're going to be doing, so let me flick to the relevant pages and show you. So the news agents are passed here. So basically what we're going to be doing is we're going to be assembling the second funnel and smoke generator parts. So as you can see, we get the actual tube part that we can build up first. So we're going to get that little pin, push it inside the tip part, the filter. That gets then inserted into there just like that. Then we can move on to assembling the funnel. So we can take the outer and inner parts of the funnel, and we're going to be putting some DP screws. So we've got 3 to secure this side, 3 to secure that side, making sure we've got this little lip lined up on the inside, and that is all we have to do in this issue. So there will be an issue a day up until Thursday of Build the Titanic, and we'll finish up on Friday with some more Build the Battleship Bismarck this week. So yeah, without further ado, let's get the parts out of the packaging and start building. Okay, so the very first one we're going to do is we're going to take this little spring here. As you can see, it does have like a poking bit out the side. We're just going to push this through this filter just like that. So we've now got this filter attached to this spring. We can then take this part here, we're going to slide that spring side down into there, so that's nice and springy in there. Next, we're going to be lining up the inner and outer parts of the funnel. So it's going to go in this way round. We're going to be using this little slot in the side just to guide us. So that's going to be slotted into there just like that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to line up one side first, just like that, and get the 3 screws in this side. So we're going to be going at the top here, here, and right down the bottom, just above this little part here. So the screws for this part are absolutely tiny. Some of the smallest DP screws I've ever seen. I am actually using a PH00 screwdriver for this. Get the next one right at the top. Just like that. And then one more. The second to last one down the bottom, which is just here. Just like that. So we've got all this side done. Now what we need to do is squeeze this side in to match up the holes on the corresponding side. So where we've put a screw, we're going to be putting a screw on the opposite side. So I am going to be starting in the middle, exactly where we left off the last time, matching up the screw hole straight across from it. 2 more to go. Let's go to the one. Let's now go to the lowest one down the bottom. Just there. Last screw now. It's going just here. And there we are. We've started work on our second funnel, so you should have these parts all left over to carry over to the next issue. So you are, guys, that is issue 17 of Build the Titanic, all complete. And yeah, we carry them parts over to the next one now. So do hope you join me for that. That one will be out tomorrow. If you like this video, please remember to leave a like down below. And if you haven't already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you all next time. Take care. Bye-bye.